Good. How you doing?
I'm doing just fine. Who are you guys?
Oh, just travelers.
Travelers trespassing on a school with little kids around. It's kind of odd.
What the hell did you just say?
Wow, it's kind of odd that you just walk up and talk like that just from random people, man.
Well, you're
Yeah, I
trespassing.
didn't think you think like that.
You guys normally camp out on school property?
No, we actually was 10:30 at night and didn't make it to where we planned on staying,
You guys
and
walking?
it just didn't happen to come to plan.
You guys walking?
Yeah,
Yeah,
walking.
walking, rollerblading. We're going from Bay City all the way down to Point Harbor. Harbor Point.
Harbor Point.
All the way down near Detroit. Sarnia.
So if you're going from Bay City, why aren't you heading south?
We're going around
You want to go around the thumb. That's a long ass ways.
166 miles.
It is a long way.
Huh.
But sorry, we didn't think
Glad
that
you guys are packing up.
anybody would think that. We apologize.
Just to let you know, we had a couple of girls seen you and they already had the cops call. So
Really?
Oh, okay.
that's why I came out here first.
Well, appreciate that.
The rest of us. How you doing?
Hey guys. Obviously you're all packed up.
Yep.
Yeah, we didn't realize that we were allowed to stay here. We're on quite a long trip. We started up in Bay City, and we're just heading around the thumb, and it got real late last night. We ended up not making it.
Thank you.
Okay, so my recommendation is, I don't know how far you're traveling in a day, but
Yeah. Yesterday we got just a little bit of a late start as it was our first day.
that's all right. So I just want to give you a heads up. Sebring is about 4 miles that way.
Okay.
It's a blink and you're through it type place.
Yeah.
And Caseville is an additional 19 miles on M25.
Okay.
I don't know which way you're going to go, but up 25 is probably the fastest way.
Yeah.
Don't know where you're gonna. I don't know if you want to camp on the beach. I don't know if
That's what we're planning on
Yeah.
trying to do. There's not a whole lot of beach from Bay City to here. It's a lot
No.
of mucky area, so
Yeah.
we kind of got lost. We were going to try to camp in some woods, but every time we went past a patch of woods, no trespassing, no trespassing, no trespassing.
We didn't realize that you couldn't do this due to, we just looked.
We thought it was public grounds, and I didn't realize that you
Some
couldn't
guy
see.
came out here just a minute ago before you ended up showing up, kind of letting us know, like, hey, you guys shouldn't be here. And you're like, oh, we didn't realize.
I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if there's any campgrounds, but you're gonna pass a couple.
Pretty far, too far.
Well, there's a roadside, like a scenic type shit.
Yeah, okay.
There's one of those. I don't know if you can camp. I didn't read the sign. You'll see some roads that go down. One of them is Sumic.
Okay.
And what that is guys go down there and they fish, but as far as I know, it's not county.
Okay.
So if you don't feel like making the 20-mile rollerblade, then if you want to throw your stuff in there, go ahead.
Cool.
There's going to come some spots where it's going to be people's property.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Let you figure out what you want to do with that, and then once you get into Caseville, you do have the beach. I don't know if you can camp on the beach, but there is. Depending on how far you really want to go, like Sleeper State Park, because after Caseville, you're looking at about 17 miles to Port Austin.
Port Austin, yeah. That's our next day trip. So.
Okay, so like Sleeper State Park, you might be able to get
like an overnight.
campground, like a rustic camp thing.
Okay.
If you get into Sebring off of Beck, which is kind of like the main all the way through, if you go down Union, which you can Google map it, there is a rustic campground and it's I think it's a county park.
Okay.
but that puts you in Sebring, and then like I said, you're still another 20 miles to Caseville, so, but you're only talking, that is gonna be 6 miles, which I don't know if that's probably just a waste of your time, but
Might be worth checking out still. We're kind of just on a journey, just hanging out. Don't really have a plan of when we're going to be done. We figure it takes about 10 days. So.
well, there's a one of those little huts or house that you check in and I don't know, $10 or whatever it costs to camp in the rustic, and then you'll see it. It's real simple. There's just a road, just go straight back, and then there's the rustic area. So, just so you guys know.
All right, thank you.
Not a
Yes,
problem.
appreciate your time.
You guys
Sorry
take
that you
care.
had to call out.
Oh, hey,
Thanks for being so cool about everything too.
not a problem.
We apologize for wasting any time.
Hey, you're all right. Enjoy your adventure. Be safe.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. We came from there. Look at this crazy intersection. And yet another road. Five roads on the one. Go eat them. Get your back on. Main road's right there. Woo. I can't do these little rocks.
Bayport. We made it.
We made it to another little city. Took a little break at the lake. Got an old cool cruiser coming through. Nice little spot right off the cell tower. Oh, look at that perfect sticks right there. Oh, dude, big ass stick right there. Whole. Just need to get the old bag in the tent. But we are freaking set up. Way better off than yesterday.
Beautiful.
And before the sun is completely gone. Oh, it's popping. Put it right on top of that flame. Is it hot on your hand?
Oh shit. Little burnt popcorn.